Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we'll explore one of the body's most powerful defense forces, the immune system, innate and adaptive immunity. If you missed our last episode on hormones and endocrine regulation, the full playlist is linked in the description below. Here's a question. How does your body know the difference between a friendly cell and a dangerous invader like a virus or bacterium? The answer lies in the immune system, a sophisticated army that protects you 24/7. The two layers of defense. The immune system works on two levels. Innate immunity, the first line of defense, fast, general, and always active. Barriers, skin, mucus, stomach acid. Cells, macrophages, neutrophils, natural killer cells. Think of it as the body's border patrol. Adaptive immunity, the specialized army, slower to respond but highly specific. Key players. B cells produce antibodies that target specific pathogens. T cells destroy infected cells or coordinate the immune response. It has memory, meaning once exposed, your body remembers and fights faster next time. This is the principle behind vaccines. Case studies and real-world examples. COVID-19 showed how adaptive immunity through vaccines and innate immunity, initial viral response, work together. HIV/AIDS weakens adaptive immunity by attacking helper T cells, leaving the body defenseless. Autoimmune diseases. In conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Allergies. An overreaction of the immune system to harmless substances like pollen or peanuts. These examples highlight both the strength and the vulnerability of our defenses. How immunity is regulated. Communication is key. Immune cells signal using cytokines, chemical messengers that activate or calm down the immune response. But balance is essential. Too weak, infections spread. Too strong, tissue damage, inflammation, or autoimmunity. Why this matters in physiology and anatomy. The immune system doesn't work in isolation. It interacts with the nervous system, endocrine system, and cardiovascular system. For example, stress hormones like cortisol can suppress immunity. Poor circulation can limit immune cell delivery. This makes immunology central not just in biology, but also in medicine, public health, and even psychology. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, Edward Jenner's first smallpox vaccine in 1796 saved millions of lives. Present, immunotherapies are transforming cancer treatment by training the immune system to attack tumors. Future, advances in genetic engineering may allow us to design super-specific immune cells to cure diseases once thought incurable. So that's our look into the immune system, innate and adaptive immunity. It's a reminder that every second your body is fighting invisible battles to keep you alive. In our next lecture, we'll turn to another life-sustaining system, cardiovascular physiology, the heart, blood, and vessels that power every cell of your body. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss the next lecture. Because once you understand immunity, you see that survival itself is biology in action.